Imagine your smart home knowing when you're about to sneeze. Thanks to AI, some smart homes can detect subtle changes in air pressure and temperature, predicting a sneeze before it happens. This quirky feature isn't just for fun, it helps adjust to air purifiers and humidifiers to keep your environment comfortable. The tech uses sensors similar to those in weather stations, showing how interconnected our lives have become with technology. Next time you sneeze, remember your home might have seen it coming. Like, comment, and subscribe for more surprising tech tales.